worried about the mocks for your upcoming NABARD Grade A Phase 1 exam? Have you not subscribed for any of the mocks? Don't you have any of the course? This is what would be frustrating for many of the candidates. Maybe you have not subscribed any of the course, maybe you have not subscribed any of the mocks for various candidates who are doing self-preparation or self-study for the upcoming NABARD Grade A exam, which is tentatively on 16th October. It is very important that from where do they will get the mock test. So that's what we are bringing here, Olive Board's free mock test for Saturday and Sunday. So weekend free mock tests are there. Now this is not something we are doing for promo, but rather just to show you that if you have not subscribed any of the mock test, if you don't really have any of the course, then you don't need to worry. Even if you are doing self-study with your free sources or whatever books you are having, here's is a great opportunity that here at Olive Board's portal you can just register yourself and you can give your free NABARD Phase 1 mocks, and that also not sectional mocks, not just partial or incomplete mocks, but rather a complete set of mocks which is for 2 hours and of all the qualifying as well as merit section, total 200 marks. Okay, with this you will also get an idea that how much your preparation has been come up to, as well as you all know, for an exam like NABARD Grade A for regulatory bodies, at least 10 mocks are very essential for clearing the exam. And that is why here you have to do nothing. You have to come on Olive Board's portal. You have to go here in the dashboard. You could see that various courses are there. As you want to give only the free NABARD Phase 1 exam, go in the tests in NABARD Grade A. In NABARD Grade A, when you will be going, okay, so here you could see in NABARD test, here NABARD Phase 1 you would be looking at. So here all the courses are there. In tests, here you will select the regulatory bodies. Okay, here you can select the regulatory bodies. In the regulatory bodies, here all courses are there, and here NABARD test and NABARD Phase 1 test is there. When you will click that on the NABARD Phase 1 test, you will get a timer here. Now this timer starts at today 12 AM. Okay, midnight it will start, and it will be, the tests will be live till Sunday till 7 PM. So mind you, it is for 2 days. In 2 days you can pick whatever time you want. This is what flexibility we have given. So you can give 2 tests. On Saturday you can give, as well as Sunday you can give. Both the tests are there available for you. It starts right at 12:01 AM. Okay, 5 hours are remaining. Here countdown also you could see. So this is a great opportunity for all the students who don't have any of the sources and neither have any opportunity in context of mocks. And as you all know, our mocks for any of the regulatory bodies exam, any banking exams, the mocks presented by the Olive Board are always supreme. Okay, very quality oriented mocks are there, and here you get a chance that of a full mock for NABARD Grade A, where no one gives you free of cost. Here you will get it weekly free. At every weekend we are going to provide you such free mock. So that's it. It's nothing. Now I'll just show you that if you go in Olive Board's app, okay, if you go in Olive Board's app, okay, if you go in Olive Board's app, in app also you could see that first thing which comes up on the screen, it's NABARD weekly live test. So here's a very great opportunity for you. See here, the next test is going to be tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. And as on the portal also I showed you that their countdown was there, within 5 to 6 hours the test is going to be live. So you are having Saturday with you, you are having Sunday with you. You can give it anytime, a full course test in which you will get the marks instantly. And there's, you can even analyze the scores, you can even understand that how much preparation for which subject it has been done from your side. At the same time, as we all know why mocks are important for NABARD, as sectional timing is not there. If your sectional time management as well as preparation is not in the right direction, then NABARD exam would be a very hard nut to crack. That's it from my side, and this was just a information to you that how on every weekend you can give the mock. Thank you.